Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 60 frames per second files with correct frame rate mapping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer 60 frames per second files with correct frame rate mapping, start by setting up your workspace. Make sure you have the necessary software installed, such as video editing or conversion tools that support frame rate adjustments. Open the software and import the 60 frames per second video file you wish to transfer. Check the current frame rate settings in your project. If your project settings do not match the original frame rate of 60 frames per second, adjust them accordingly. Navigate to the Project Settings or Preferences menu. Select the option to change the frame rate. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second to ensure consistent playback and export quality. After confirming the settings, proceed to edit your video if necessary. Once editing is complete, prepare to export your video file. Select the Export or Render option in the software. In the export settings, make sure to choose 60 frames per second as the output frame rate. Choose the desired file format for your exported video. If applicable, adjust the bitrate settings to maintain quality during compression. Before finalizing the export, double-check all settings, ensuring everything matches your intended output. Click the Export button to start rendering the video with the correct frame rate mapping. Once the export process is complete, locate the file in your designated output folder. Play the exported video to verify that the frame rate is consistent throughout. This ensures a smooth viewing experience for your audience. If needed, repeat the process with additional files, following the same steps for accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.